I just heard a weird pop, and I just wanted to make sure that I didn't run over something. Everything looks good. All right, bueno. Oh, what is up, ladies and gents, boys and girls? Welcome back to the vlog. This is Moto Noir. Today I am running a few little errands after work, and I'm riding on Broadway, under Broadway. This is a part of town that I rarely have on my video. I actually live around here, but I wanted to show, oh yeah, nice unmarked police car, beautiful. But I wanted to show the wonder of the High Line here. It's dude, it's kind of a sketchy area, to be honest with you. This is the area when you look on the Citizen app, there's like all kinds of well, gunshots and whatnots, fun stuff happening over here. I don't know why I'm laughing about it. I shouldn't be laughing about it. It's not that funny. I'm not exactly sure where I'm heading right now. I'm gonna actually go back towards the garage. I left work early, and I texted, oh, I should not use his name. Okay, Ducati NYC, if you wanted to hang out for a little bit. And so that's what I'm doing. What is this person doing? Where are you gonna park? Are you gonna park there? Okay. Might want to get out of the way, bruh. Yeah. Oh, wind jujitsu. Okay, all right. Don't mess with that person. Yeah, and now in this part, that's like a massive Hasidic Jewish community. Can't really say that I understand too much about the Hasidic Jewish community. I've seen some documentaries, and that, you know, skews your point of view one way. There's a lot of positives about the Hasidic Jewish community, and also, well, a lot of negatives. They have their own infrastructure. They run everything themselves. From schools to school buses to ambulances and their own police force. It's unlike anything I can really recall. Anyways, get out from underneath there. See if I can sneak around. Guy went through the intersection. He's like, hey! You should get yourself a bicycle bell. You know, that would work just as well, maybe even better. A little bling bling, a little scoot scoot, a little beep beep. So I'm leaving work early today because, well, I'll be honest with you guys. I took a new job. I've only been there for about 2 weeks or so. And I'm pretty frustrated already. I feel like I was sold a bill of goods that was not a part of reality for what it is. And it is intensely frustrating working right now. I just don't know if I want to stay there. I just don't know. You know, part of me wants to stick it out and see, like, if things improve. And God knows that I need the money. But at the same time, wow, it's been nothing but, you know, misery, really, honestly. You know, I felt like I left one really bad situation and went to another really bad situation. So I have to say I'm pretty frustrated. So freaking frustrated. The real problem is that whenever I went into the offices during the interview phase, you know, everyone that I met with, these are people that I'm actually managing right now. Everyone was super friendly. Everyone was, you know, gave me kind of like the idea of what life would be like working there, and it seemed extremely positive. And there are a lot of positives to working for the company. I mean, the money is great. Benefits are really good. But I'll be damned. As soon as I start there, even before I started there, it was quite clear there was a lot of frustration with some changes that were happening. What the hell is going on here? Funeral home. Got some actors and actresses going on. Okay, so I guess there's like filming a show or a movie of some sort. Okay, cool. And that's what this is as well. It's a production truck. So yeah, the job really is not turned out to be what I expected it to be. Instead of doing my job, I'm actually just handling internal issues a lot. Pretty much every day, that's all I'm doing. It's handling internal issues and answering to those things. It's quite frustrating because it's not at all what I thought it would be, and not what I was told it would be. Anywho, so I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing. I have a meeting with my my boss on Monday, and that could be the determining thing. This meeting with my boss on Monday could be like, look, things just aren't working out. I think it's better that we just part ways. Yada yada yada. And I wouldn't blame him. I'm actually beginning to do another job search, and I'm not very happy about it. And yeah, this is a bitching vlog. I'm just going to be bitching the entire time. That's all this is. And I hate doing these bitching vlogs. I hate them. But what can you do? Oh, here's some more actors. It's the same old with me, guys. That's all that it is. It's just the same old crap, different day. Anyways, okay, so I'm gonna stop at Dirty Billy. I'm gonna have a beer, and I hope you guys have a great one. I'll see you later. What's up, brother? How are you? Good.